Hola, se agre. Estas son las noticias de la fábrica de sueños.
Why are you speaking in Spanish?
Did you change the script?
You're reading it. We're your hosts, Gabriel Torres Hernandez.
And Camry Serna.
This week we'll be talking about making sure you do your classwork, preventing sickness, bullying, and International Origami Day. Now please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Gray's mission. CA Gray Junior High School's mission is to provide a community of support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for a successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now on to this week's featured expectation.
How you doing today?
Horrible.
Oh my lord. What's wrong, baby?
Somebody keeps saying mean things about me.
I hate you. Wish you was never here. Who said that? Have a seat, baby. Now, what you want to say something like that? Has she done something to you? You just upset? You having a bad day? You not having a bad day? You upset at her?
Don't like me.
Why? You know, you don't have to like nobody. Nobody likes me, and I love that. I like that. But you don't have to like her. You don't have to hate her. You just got to respect her. Because everybody's supposed to respect everybody, correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, are you still upset?
I think I'm a lot better now.
Get a piece of candy. You took that one piece. Get you a piece of candy, baby. Have a better day, okay?
Okay.
Bullying is wrong and you should never, ever do it.
With the flu on the rise, here's some tips to help keep you and others around you safe. Be sure to wash your hands and use hand sanitizer frequently. Cough and season to your elbow. Eat foods with lots of nutrients. Drink plenty of water and exercise regularly to boost your immune system. And lastly, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. If you are sick, stay home until you feel better.
First, get 2 sticky notes. Step 1. Get your first sticky note and fold the bottom left corner to the top right corner. Then unfold and do it again, vice versa. Step 2. Fold the bottom of the sticky note to the top. Then unfold, do the same from left to right. Step 3. Fold the bottom left corner halfway and push it in. Step 4. Turn it over and fold it up. Then open it to make a diamond shape. Make sure the opening is on the top. Step 5. Fold the flaps to the center so that it looks like this, and do it again to the other side. Step 6. Fold the bottom of both flaps to make an arrow shape and then again on the other side. Step 8. Cut a tiny hole in the bottom for the stem. Step 9. Take your other sticky note and make a tiny fold like so. Keep folding until it looks like this. Step 10. Put it through the hole in the bottom of your flower, then you are done.
This week's club rotation is HOSA, FFA, Spanish, Gentlemen's, Yearbook, Ladies, Drama, and Cyber Club.
Teachers, take a few minutes now to allow your students to make an origami flower. Hang the flowers on your classroom door. This activity has been approved by Dr. Smith. We look forward to seeing your flowers.
We'll see you next week, Seagram. This is Dream Factory News signing off.
Hasta la próxima, Se Agre.